Hi, I'm Lana from Harpenden Library.
Hi there everyone, my name's Steve and I work at Hatfield Library.
Hello, I'm Kerry and I'm from Hemel Hempstead Library.
Hello, I'm Jamie and I work at the Central Stocks Unit.
Hi, I'm Steph from St Albans Library.
Welcome to Virtual Code Club. This week we will be creating Chatbot, a programme that talks to you and will respond in different ways according to your response. Your sprite will ask you questions, sense your answer, and change its costume or backdrop according to what you say. In this case, we have told Chatbot we would like to go to the moon.
You can use Chatbot to respond to questions by using the sensing blocks. Asking a question will make Chatbot wait for an answer. You can then code Chatbot to respond using the answer block. You can also join text together using this block from the green operators blocks. So here, Chatbot asks your name, and this says hello to you. Chatbot can also respond to your questions in other ways. You can use a combination of blocks like this. So when Chatbot asks a question, something will happen depending on the answer. Here, Chatbot asks if we want to go to the beach, and then takes us there if we say yes. Here are some problems that you might encounter while working on this project, and some tips on how to fix them.
When Chatbot says hello and the user's name, it comes out as one word.
When using the join block, remember to use a space after Chatbot's words.
I don't want my variables to be visible on the screen. How do I hide them?
The checkboxes in the variable list show you which variables are visible. If you want one to be hidden, then uncheck that variable's box.
I'm having trouble recognising my variables.
Make sure your variables are clearly labelled. Keeping your code clean will mean it's easier to make improvements later, and it will make it easier for other people to understand your code.
The moon backdrop does not appear when I try to switch backdrop.
To select the moon backdrop, make sure you've added it as a backdrop. Click on the Choose Backdrop button and then scroll down until you find the one that you want. All the backdrops that you've added to your code will be available when you click on the Choose Backdrop block.
Once you've created your program, don't stop coding. Why not improve your chatbot by giving your chatbot a different personality, adding more animation actions, adding sound effects, making more backdrop changes based on user input, and of course, you could create a brand new chatbot program. Why not make your chatbot into a quiz with a score count, using some of the skills you learnt in the Ghostbusters project? Or you could create a chatbot that recommends books and films based on the user's input.
You can find the instructions for this project at codeclub.org. Click on Projects and then click on Module 1. You can also find the instructions on our website using the bit.ly link bit.ly/hearts-virtual-code-club.
When you've completed your project, you can share it with your fellow coders, as well as try other coders' creations on our special studio on the Scratch website.
You can find our studio on the Scratch website by typing Hertfordshire Libraries into the search bar and pressing the magnifying glass. Make sure you click on the studios to find us. We hope you enjoyed working on Chatbot. Join us next time when we'll be looking at Bonus, a timed game where you have to navigate through a maze. If you're interested in coding, as well as this virtual code club, we have Vero Code, which you can use in your local library or at home at app.verocode.com. Vero has hundreds of coding tutorials and loads of real-world projects you can work on. You can code in blocks and HTML and JavaScript and Python and CSS and SQL. And you have an avatar, which you can customise as you learn. Completing workouts, missions and challenges earns you more gear for your avatar. You can get new bodies and hands and colours and hats. And you can code for real robots and computers like Makey and Raspberry Pi. If you compete in the challenges, you can win prizes like QScouts or Spheros. And if you win them, Vero will post them straight to you. Top missions, made by people just like you, are featured on the top missions board, so you can see what other coders are doing all over the world. You can even remix them to make your own versions too. If your local library is running a Vero Code Club, you'll be able to access it using the Friends tab at the top of the screen. But you don't have to join a code club to use Theory. You can always log into the website and build something awesome yourself.
If you would like to support our library service by making a donation, please visit our website or select Donate in the Herts Libraries app.